Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today you should have just saw how I customized the lace on this unit right here. So let me go ahead and give you guys all the deets and tell you my personal thoughts about this unit. So this unit is actually courtesy of one of my faves, West Kiss Hair. They were kind enough to send your girl another beautiful unit. And so if you guys didn't know, I have reviewed a few units now from West Kiss Hair. I think I reviewed like four, maybe this is the 5th unit. I'm not sure, but I've reviewed quite a lot of West Kiss Hair. It's because I absolutely love their hair. I love the quality of their hair. And when I rock their hair, I always get compliments. And so this unit is no different, okay? So this unit is their water wave lace front unit. It doesn't tell me which texture it is or what kind of hair it is. It just says it's 100% human hair. But I did receive the unit in 22 inches and 200% density. And I think the cap size I got was medium, and so that comes up to a total of $215.12 currently. So it says it's 53% off right now. So yeah, $215 is about the price of this unit. I received the unit pretty quickly. The shipping wasn't too long. It was like a couple of days. So yeah, I absolutely love that. But now let's just jump into my thoughts about this unit. So like with the other West Kiss units that I have, I absolutely love this unit, y'all. This is like, I work with West Kiss for this reason, because I can expect quality. The other ones have been like curly textures. I even think I did maybe a body wave texture. I'm not quite sure. So I think this is my first water wave unit from them, and they did not disappoint, okay? I love the fact that I don't have to do much to their hair because they always come pre-plucked. That's amazing. I absolutely love that. And they usually come with baby hair, so I don't have to like cut any baby hairs. They already come with it. So I knew that all I would need to do is customize the lace for my particular skin color. So that's what I want to show you guys today, is just me, what I do. So I went ahead and I bleached the knots. After I bleached the knots, I went ahead and put my foundation on the cap, on the lace underneath, and that is all. I didn't show you guys how I melted the lace, or whatever you're gonna call it, because I have that in other videos. If you check out probably my last West Kiss video, either I use the Got To Be Freeze spray method, or I use the bowl hold method. Either way, I did a mixture of both today. I did more Got To Be Freeze up top, and then got bowl hold around the, what is this called, the edges, the perimeter, I don't know, right here. And so yeah, that's what I chose to do today. So yeah, it's not much more that I can tell you guys about this unit other than it's an absolute gorgeous unit. So yeah, if you guys checked out my previous video from here, my 3-year anniversary, check it out if you haven't already. This is the same hair that was in the video. It's just I did kind of like a half up, half down look. But yeah, it's the same hair. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.